Hi there, I'm Carrie Corcoran with JPAR Real Estate in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and today I'm excited to bring you my newest listing located at 18240 Midway Road in Dallas. It's Unit 1205 and it's located within the Buena Vida condos. This corner unit condo is located in an unbelievable location within the Dallas metroplex, just off the George Bush Turnpike and the Dallas North Tollway. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,700 square feet condo with a 2-car garage. It's located within Plano ISD, but the showstopper of this property are the backyard living spaces. Come on, let's go take a look. As we head into the condo, you'll notice it's a light and bright split level floor plan. The entry has slate tile, and we're gonna head upstairs and tour the main living area, the 2 guest bedrooms, half bath and full bath. As we enter the main living space of this open concept floor plan, you can see light wood floors, vaulted ceilings, can lights, gorgeous contrast crown molding, and gorgeous natural light. The kitchen features a large center island with a butcher block countertop, gas stove, room for bar stool seating. The perimeter of the kitchen includes black granite countertops, a nice sized pantry, and stainless steel appliances that have all been replaced within the last 2 years. And this refrigerator also conveys. Now moving into the dining area, located just off the kitchen and is open to the family room. Let's head outside to see one of the 2 outdoor living spaces. What's common for condos in this area is to only have 1 living space on the main level. This great condo offers 2 options: an upstairs deck and a downstairs patio. It is plumbed for gas. It's surrounded by trees and this great privacy fence for a nice quiet atmosphere. Now let's head back inside to go tour the 2 guest bedrooms and bathrooms. The half bath was updated within the last year with porcelain hexagon tile, new vanity, and toilet. Closet. The first bedroom with custom built-in shelving, great natural light, and this carpet was just installed earlier this week. Moving into the 2nd guest bedroom, vaulted ceilings, great windows, brand new carpet that was installed earlier this week with an ensuite bathroom with that same updated porcelain hexagon tile. Linen closet for storage. Updated toilet, and here's your shower and bathtub. And one of the best features is this walk-in closet with custom built-ins. All right, we're going to continue our tour and head downstairs to the main level, where we will find the master ensuite and laundry room. At the base of the stairs, you'll see a slate tile floor and a very versatile planning desk area. Right off the entrance to the 2-car garage is your laundry room with built-in shelves, and the washer and dryer convey with the property. Now we're heading into the main level master ensuite bedroom and bathroom. This room is large enough to accommodate a king-size bed. It's got the same light hardwood floors as upstairs, Freshly painted gray walls with contrast crown molding. Access to the second outdoor living space and a gas fireplace. And it's got the same great natural light as upstairs. Next, we're gonna head into the ensuite master bathroom. Here is a private water closet with storage above the toilet. Separate shower. Jetted tub. Dual master sink with a little sitting makeup area. Linen closet for storage. And take a look at this huge master closet with custom built-ins. What a great space. Next, we're gonna head outside to the lower level patio that's accessible through the main level master bedroom. Look at this space. Private, quiet, room for a table, room for a fire pit, artificial grass for pets. Another room for a seating area up to the second level deck. Now I'm going to show you one of the coolest features about this condo unit. As we pass this artificial turf, you can see this gate opens to a private HOA area that is semi-fenced and can be used for your pets. How cool is that? And lastly, we are going to head into the 2-car garage, and you will see just how much storage is available for you to store your things. That is a gas water heater. Cabinet workbench area, and take a look at this closet. Wow. Tons and tons of storage. Thank you for touring this beautiful property with me today. If you or anyone you know would like more information or a private tour, please call me, Carrie Corcoran, at 314-518-3678, and I look forward to hearing from you.